At Verodat, we've built on something interesting happening in AI right now, a new open standard called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's the connective tissue between AI and real data, and this is a fun way to show it in action. We've compiled a complete NFL dataset that covers every game back to 1999 from a play-by-play perspective. We've got information on the games, players, teams, and a highly detailed play dataset. Whatever you can imagine about a play, yardage, who threw the ball, who caught it, how far it went, what almost happened, it's in here. Over 1.2 million records, complete with win probabilities, spreads, play outcomes, you name it, it's in there. So what does that make possible? Well, we put Verodat's version of MCP in front of this data, so now you can just ask a natural language question and get instant insight back. This is running on Claude Desktop. It lets you inspect the dataset, see what each field means, and confirm the structure and context behind the results. Let's ask a basic question. How many passes and interceptions did Tom Brady throw in his career? And it comes back with the answer. In this case, 13,400 pass yards. Now we check online to see if that's correct. Typing into Google, and yes, 13,400 is spot on. Now let's go a bit niche. So how many times have the Commanders won on a Hail Mary? We should remember one from last year, and sure enough, it's in there. So Verodat MCP figures out the filters and logic behind the scenes and gives you the exact result. This is the kind of rolled up insight that analysts, fans, and broadcasters love, but normally takes ages to gather. Let's go deeper. Jameis Winston's success on deep throws on 3rd and long. This is a complex enough query, and the system assumes that 3rd and long means more than 7 yards to go, with deep passes as 20 plus air yards, and it restricts to post 2015. And it comes back with a clean breakdown of Jameis Winston's performance. Again, this isn't something you'll find online. This is what happens when MCP powers AI access to structured, context-rich data. It only works because Verodat ensures that this data is accurate, reliable, and deeply contextual. That's the key. Without that, MCP can't generate meaningful answers. Next up, how do the Cowboys perform the week after a bye over the last decade? Again, the system understands how to build the correct filters, the time ranges, and logic. It'll bring back the metrics that tell the full story. You can verify this online, but we've tuned Verodat's MCP setup to ensure a very high accuracy rate for these types of queries. Let's go broader. How have the Cowboys done against the spread over the last 10 years? This kind of question triggers multiple queries. It runs a few iterations and brings back a rich, structured answer. Not just what you asked for, but what's related to it. It checks its own work. It loops, it corrects, and then comes back with the clarity. This is where things get exciting. Soon this will evolve into AI agents that run live in-game, analyzing plays in real time and surfacing insights dynamically. You can even ask for suggestions. It'll look across the metadata and prompt you with things that you might not have thought to ask. There's really no limit to what you can do with this, whether it's fine-grained analysis or rolled up summaries, it's all possible. And as soon as a weekend of game ends, you can ask, when was the last time something like this happened? It's now incredibly easy to get that insight, where before it might have taken hours of research to piece together just one stat.